Now the question here, the density of a liquid is, the options are given, the ratio of mass of unit volume of liquid to the mass of unit volume of water. Option B, the mass per unit volume. Option C, the volume per unit mass. Option D, the force due to gravity on the mass in unit volume. From the definition of density, we know that is density is the ratio of mass and volume. That is, mass per unit volume is called density. So here the density, this is given mass per unit volume. It is represented as rho. Unit we know, for mass that is kg, and for volume that is cubic meter. So the unit of density is kg per cubic meter. Here the correct option is B, the mass per unit volume.